So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix MetaQuest 3 low memory clear storage, restart and performance fix. So what causes MetaQuest 3 low memory? If your MetaQuest 3 display a low memory warning, app crash unexpectedly, game freeze or the headset becomes slow, the issue is usually caused by insufficient available storage, too many background app or temporary system memory overload. Why this error occur? The headset storage is nearly full, leaving title little room for app and system file, multiple app or game are running in the background and consuming memory resource, temporary system file, cache data or software glitches are affecting performance. So fix 1 is restart the MetaQuest 3. Restarting clear temporary memory usage, close background process and refresh the operating system. Press and hold the power button, select restart, wait for the headset to reboot completely, launch the app or game again. Second fix is check available storage. Low available storage can prevent app from loading properly and may trigger memory related warning. So put your MetaQuest 3 headset, press the Meta Oculus button on the right controller to open the universal menu. Look at the bottom toolbar and select the quick setting panel, the area showing the clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon. Select storage, review the available free space. If storage is nearly full, remove unused content. Third fix is delete unused app and game. Removing app frees storage space and reduce system resource usage. Press the Meta Oculus button on the right controller to open the universal menu. Look at the bottom toolbar and select the quick setting panel. Then select storage. Choose an app or game on you no longer use. Select uninstall. Repeat for other unnecessary app. Fourth fix is clear app cache. Cached file can grow over time and consume storage, causing performance issue. Press the Meta Oculus button on the right controller to open the universal menu. Look at the bottom toolbar and select the quick setting panel. Go to storage. Select the app causing problem. Choose clear cache if available. Restart the app. Fifth fix is close background app. Running multiple apps simultaneously can reduce available storage and slow performance. Press the Meta button. Open the app switcher. Close app that are not in use. Launch only the app you need. Sixth fix is update the headset software. Software update often include memory management improvement, bug fixes and performance optimization. Press Meta button and open setting. Select system, choose software update, install any available update, restart the headset. Seventh fix is remove large videos and download. Recorded gameplay video and downloaded media can quickly consume storage space. Open file or storage, review large videos and download, delete item you no longer need, empty any trash or recent deleted folder if available. Eighth fix is factory reset to the headset. A factory reset remove corrupted files, clear storage issue, and restore the headset to its default state. Backup important data, open setting, go to system, restart option, select factory reset, follow the on-screen instruction. Note, the remove app, installed app setting and local store file. Thank you.